I'm gonna tell you what I like about this crummy old neighborhood. Well, I don't like the people, I can tell you that. And I don't like the silly cracks in the sidewalk either. But what I do like is the sounds. Now, if you listen right, you can hear all kinds of great sounds in this neighborhood. Sounds that any grouch would really love. Yeah. I love that honk, bang, whistle, and crash that I hear in my neighborhood, because that honk, bang, whistle, and crash makes me feel so good. I don't like the people, the girls, or the boys. Just give me some more of that beautiful noise, that honk, bang, whistle, and crash that I hear in my neighborhood. You know, there's some other things I like listening to, so keep your ears open, and I'll tell you about it. To hear a great, big thrill. Ah, what a thrill. A subway train roars by. I want a sign to hear a big dog bark. Sweet as a lark, and the honking of a car, and the banging of a door are things that I could listen to forevermore. I love that honk, bang, whistle, and crash that I hear in my neighborhood, because that makes me feel so good. I don't like the people, the girls, or the boys. Just give me some more of that beautiful noise, that honk,